Hey, do you know how to make tea in English? Not just tea, but English tea in English. Stay with me till the end of this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make tea and how to speak the process fluently in English. First of all, we take some water in a pot or kettle. Then we place the pot or kettle on the stove and turn on the flame. We let the water boil properly. When the water is properly boiled, we add 1 tablespoon of tea leaves. We can also use a tea bag if we want to use tea bag. Then we add sugar according to our taste. We add milk and let boil it again. When the color of the tea changes, we turn off the flame. After this, we strain tea into a cup. And now your tea is ready. You can enjoy it with biscuits or snacks. Now we are going to learn some vocabulary related with tea making. Boil. Boil. To heat water until it bubbles. Pour. To make liquid flow from one container to another. Brew. To make tea by mixing it with hot water. Strain. To remove tea leaves from the tea. Add. To put something. Stir. To mix gently. Saucepan or kettle. A container used to boil water. Tea leaves, tea bag, sugar, milk, water. For example, we boil water to make tea. We pour the tea into a cup. Would you like some sugar? What are you doing, Ria? I'm making tea, ma'am. Oh, really? How do you make tea? First I boil some water, then I add tea leaves, sugar and milk. Nice! And how long do you boil it? For about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I strain and serve it hot. That's perfect. You explained it very well in English. Now let's learn some phrases. When you want to ask someone for a cup of tea, you can say, "Would you like a cup of tea?" I am making tea for everyone. Let's have some tea together. This tea tastes amazing. I prefer black tea without milk. So my dear viewers, we have come on the last part of this video. You have to repeat after me. We boil water to make tea. I am boiling water. I am boiling water. We add milk. I am adding milk. I am adding milk. I am stirring the tea. I am stirring the tea. I am pouring the tea into a cup. I am enjoying my tea. Subscribe for more.